What's up everyone, Daniel here. In this video I'm gonna unbox the Sony Handycam HDR-CX115E. Finally. So this is my first camcorder and I'm really excited to do this unboxing. So let's go ahead and read what's in the box. So as you can see here, you can see this Zeiss. It refers to the Carl Zeiss lens, of course. The Exmor R CMOS sensor, which increases 2 times the sensitivity and results in a higher image quality in dark conditions. And the Bion S, which is the image processor system. And you can see here the 2 seals, UEFA Champions League and FIFA World Cup 2010. So without further ado, let's get started with this unboxing. I'm gonna use my penknife here. Let's get the seal off. Really easy. And start opening. Alright. So we have some paper here. European guarantee. I bought it in England. The CD, installation CD, resistor paper, and probably some warranty or some stuff like that. Other languages, more languages, and oops, my iPhone. So the manual, and what else? Some accessories, and finally the camera itself. So the camera is here, really tiny. Let's put here and open in a minute. The VGA cable, regular VGA cable for the TV connection. What else? Probably component video cable. I'm not really sure, but it doesn't really matter. I'm probably gonna use HDMI. USB cable and the power cord, this really strange thing that I'm not gonna use, and the rest of the power cord. Finally, the battery. So let's get back to the camera. Ooh, really beautiful. So as you can see here, iAuto, direct copy, and full HD. It records on full HD 1080p. This side you can see the little thing you can put your hand, the flip with your LCD, damn again, the little flip here, and the lens. So let me put the battery probably like this. Okay. And and it doesn't really have internal memory, so I bought this memory card here, 16 gigabytes. Let me open this up and insert in the camera for you guys. Let me just, how can I open this thing? Alright. Okay, so and there we go. Okay, the Ultra something. Alright, so let me put in here. It's in the bottom part. There's this little flip here, probably like that. Okay, click, and it's done. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Of course, the flip goes all the way to the front like that. You can see what you are recording. Okay, and here we have the Dolby Digital Stereo Creator. Okay, sorry guys, but my camera just ran out of juice, so let's continue where we were. Alright, we are talking about these buttons right here. This is the power button, the eye auto button, which automatically chooses the best configuration for your shooting or photo thing, you know. And this is the disc burning button, and this is the play button, which actually is like all the Sony cameras, you know, that you press and you see all your movies and videos. Sorry, your movies and your photos. Alright, here you have the HDMI and the USB ports. Let me just open this up. Okay, this is the HDMI and the USB. In this part, let's flip it. We have the the charger jack, you know, and the AVR jack. Alright, this is probably for your TV or some stuff like that. And here you have the lens cover, which you can open or close just by sliding. Okay. Oh, and of course the thing you put your hand, just your hand protection thing. Alright. And to finish this, we have the zoom, the photo button, which you press and it will take a picture even if you are recording on the recording mode. And you have this mode button here, which you can change from movie to camera. Alright, so that's basically it, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it, so please rate thumbs up actually, and subscribe to my channel to get my latest videos. And I'm gonna do a test video on this actually when I got my iPhone 4, when I finally get my iPhone 4, which I'm gonna unbox it of course with my new camcorder. So thanks for watching, bye bye.